Hi, for the next couple of days, we're going to be writing circle equations given certain clues or information. These 6 are not too hard. Tomorrow they might be a little bit more challenging. Monday. But my suggestion to everybody, I'm trying to get everything corrected this week from this week, is to do this today and get it back to me. It's due on Monday, so you're not going to be penalized if you wait, but that way you have the weekend off and you don't have to deal with any of this stuff. If you guys want to meet as a group just to see each other and tell me what challenges you're having, let me know. Email me and I'll set up a time during our class time, which is already designated, so that we can Zoom with each other. So I'll look forward to hearing your views on that. The first 2 problems are the easy ones. They're asking us to write an equation given the center and the radius. So we already know that the equation, the center is HK and the radius is 3, right? And K is -14 and H is 12. The first guy in the center and the second guy. So then when we write our equation, we just write the opposite. So x minus 12 squared plus y plus 14, the opposite of -14, squared, equals the radius squared, which is 9. So those are easy. The second one is just as easy. H is -13, K is 6, R is 3. So we have x plus 13 squared plus y minus 6 squared also equals 9. The radius on both of those are the same. So that's how you do it if they give you the center and the radius, and those should be pretty easy. On the second page, they give us the center and the area, and your homework's going to be set up just like this. You're just going to have a few more to do, but it's the same thing. So if your center is 0, 9, then that means your H is 0, your K is -9, And let's deal with the area. We need to find the radius. So what we do is we make the area 4 pi equal to pi r squared. Well, if you divide both sides by pi, you get, the pi's all bite the dust, you get 4 equals r squared. So radius is 2, the square root of 4. And now you're back to where we were before, and that would be just a plain x squared, because it's a 0, plus y plus 9 squared equals the radius squared, which is 4. Same over here. If your center is 5, 4, H is 5, K is -4. And now let's look at the radius. 36 pi equals pi r squared. Divide both sides by pi. Pi's bite the dust. We get 36 equals r squared, so r is 6. And then we have x minus 5 squared plus y plus 4 squared. Remember, we changed the signs of those two. Equals 6 squared, which is 36, and that is our answer. And I would listen to the video. I would do the first 4 after listening to the first part of the video, then the second 4 after listening to the second part of the video, and then the third 4 when you're doing the third part of the video. It'll be easier for you. So same here. We have H equals, K equals, and R equals, but now they're giving us the circumference, so you got to be careful with that. And you've got H is -7, K is 14, and we got to find the R. So we know that 2 times the radius times pi equals the circumference, so we make him equal to the 8 pi. And just like before, we divide both sides by pi. You just have to use the right equation. And so we have all the pi's bite the dust. 2r equals 8, r equals 4. So now we know what the radius is, and we do x plus 7 squared plus y minus 14 squared equals 16, which is 4 squared. Same over here. We have h is 3, because that's the first number. K is -2. And we'll find the r by doing 2 times radius times pi equals 12 pi. And when we divide both sides by pi, we get 2r equals 12. So the radius is 6. Take your time. Don't mess up on these. These are pretty easy. X minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 6 squared, which is 36. So that is the last one. Let me know if you want to meet as a group, and I look forward to hearing from you with your homework today so we can get all this stuff graded and in the books. I hope you're doing okay. I miss you guys. Bye.